$10,000 personal loan with no credit check? Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can apply and get this $10,000 personal loan with no credit check pre-qualification. Remember that in this video we are going to show you the step-by-step guide that how you can get this $10,000 personal loan. Therefore, make sure that you watch this video till the end without missing any part to understand about this personal loan and to learn how you can get it with a peace of mind. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please just smash that like button as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without any further ado, let's start the video and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Now here is the biggest opportunity that you all have been waiting for a very long time, and this time is an online personal loan of up to $10,000. Don't worry, in this video we are going to show you how you can get this loan, how you can fill out the application, what are the perks, pros and cons of this personal loan. Don't worry, we do have everything for you in this video, so make sure that you don't go anywhere and you don't miss any part from this very important video which could give you this $10,000 loan, especially in this time of worst inflation. This time is from Net Credit. Net Credit is offering a personal loan of up to $10,000 and they call it the online personal loan. Means you don't have to go to a physical store or anywhere, you just apply it online, and if you get approved then you are going to get this $10,000. And you know what's the great thing about this? When you check your eligibility that either you're going to get this loan or not, this will not affect your credit score at all. And we love these sort of credit cards, personal loans and credit lines which you can get with no effect to your credit score. Means no impact is going to be on your credit score and your credit score will remain the same. It's really good for those people who are in doubt that either we are going to get it or not, and if we are going to do it then it's going to put a hard inquiry on our credit. So specifically for those who have bad credit, no credit, or who are really cautious about their credit, this is the perfect opportunity for you. According to Net Credit, they say that get a loan that's customized to fit your needs. And their Trustpilot rating is 4.7 out of 5, which is amazing. They say it is easy to meet your needs with a personal loan. All you need to do, apply, get the funds. Yes, if approved, your money can be in your account next business day or even sooner. This is amazing. Don't worry, we are going to show you how you can fill out the secure loan application, so don't worry. And you can repay the loan. They say we report your payments to major credit bureaus, so if you have new credit or bad credit, congratulations, you can improve your credit now. Meaning you can build your credit history with on-time repayment. You can repay early as well with no penalty. That's what we love. You can do that, and we hate those sort of loans, and that's why we literally don't review them, that which charges you to repay your loan early, because right now of course it's a time of inflation where the people need the money right now and they need a big chunk of it, and if you want to repay it means your days are getting better and better. Then if you have more money you can repay it with no penalty, and that's what I love about this personal loan. What can your personal loan give you? Flexibility. With a personal loan, you can customize your loan amount and duration before you sign your contract, making sure you get what you need. Credit growth. Your account activity is reported to credit bureaus, so on-time repayment may help you build your credit and financial future. Confidence. NetCredit is owned by Innova, a publicly traded company, and has been helping customers meet their financial needs for more than a decade. What do I need to apply for a personal loan? Well, you have to be 18 years old, right? You have to be 18 years older, 19 plus in AL and DE, 21 plus is MS. You must have a valid personal checking account. Who doesn't have it? You must have an active email address. Well, you must have it, and pretty much everyone has it if you're using computer, right? And you must have a verifiable source of income. If you have to be a source of income, remember, if you receive Social Security, SSI, SSD, or any sort of things like welfare thing, you're good to go. Remember that you can check your eligibility, and this will not affect your credit score at all, and we are going to show you in a bit. Well, remember that they say that how much you can borrow, like NetCredit Personal will range from $1,000 to $10,000. How quickly you can get your money, as we already mentioned, that you can get your money the next business day or the same business day as well, or sooner than that as well. The states offer net personal loans, well, pretty much all of them. And how much time will have to repay my loan? Your payment is starting from 6 to 60 months, and this is indeed a very big opportunity. What can I use as a personal loan for? Well, you can do debt consolidation, movie car repairs, and other expenses. Means you don't have to tell that why you need this loan. Will checking my eligibility affect my credit score? And that's what we love, that checking your eligibility will not affect your credit score. We use what's called a soft pull and opposed to hard pull to determine your eligibility and get you the best offers possible. Soft pulls do not affect your credit score, as we already mentioned. However, if you are approved for a personal loan and sign a contract, then there is a hard pull. Remember, if you approve the offer, then they're going to do a hard pull, and it will affect your credit history temporarily. So let's click on check your eligibility and see what do we have in right now. As you can see, the first step, what you need to do, you need to put the amount. For example, I'm gonna put $5,000 and I'm gonna say other, and let's get started. They're gonna ask you your zip code, your date of birth. For example, let me put the zip code right here, 74047, and I'm gonna put the date of birth. How about that, right? Continue. They're gonna ask you like, what do? You do rent or own? Well, for example, I say I own, right? And then they're gonna ask you for the street address, then your social security number. Don't worry about it. After that, they're gonna ask you a couple of questions such as your social security number, or you're married or not, because I don't want to go further than that, because after that it's a financial information and we don't want to get into that. So if you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. So remember that we are also going to upload various videos every single day for you, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon and smash the like button on this video. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.